Go to the Sketch tab and select to create a sketch, and then select the top plane to draw on. Select the polygon and then set the number of polygon sides to 8. Next, use your left mouse button to drop the center of the polygon. Then use the left mouse button to drop the outer edge of the polygon and confirm. Smart dimension the polygon by selecting the outer points and then set the distance at 80 millimeters and confirm. Select the Surface tab, then select Extruded Surface. Set the distance to 15 millimeters, then select Draft Angle and set the degrees to 30. Then select Cap End. Select Direction 2 and set the distance to 20 millimeters. Next, select Draft Angle and set the degrees to 5. Then select Cap End and confirm. Select the Surface tab, then select Fillet. Items to fillet, select the top face, then select Full Preview, and next set the radius to 10 millimeters and confirm. Select the Surface tab, then select Delete Face. Faces to delete, select the top face, then in Options, select Delete and confirm. Select the Surface tab, then select Extend Surface. For edges and faces to extend, select the filleted top edges. For the end condition, select Distance, and then for the distance, type in 13 millimeters and confirm. Select the Surface tab and then select to thicken. For the surface to thicken, select the entire body. Next, under the thickness category, select to thicken both sides. And then for the thickness, type 2 millimeters and confirm. Select the Sketch tab, then select to create a sketch on the front plane. Next, select the Line tool, and then begin to draw the tack profile. Select the Surface tab, and then select Revolved Surface. For the axis of revolution, select the construction line and confirm. Select the Surface tab, and then select to flatten the surface. For the face or surface to flatten, select the lower curved surface of the tack. For the vertex or point on edge to flatten from, select the lower edge of the lower curved surface and confirm. Next, hide the tack body. Right mouse click the flattened surface and then select Deformation Plot to view the stretching and the compression of the surface. Right mouse click the flattened surface again and then select to export to DXF or DWG to prepare for CNC routing or laser engraving. Right-click and select to hide the flattened surface. Next, right mouse click away from your model and select to show hidden bodies. Then select the tack body and select to exit hidden body view. Select the Surface tab and then select Thicken. For surface to thicken, select the tack. Then select Create Solid from Enclosed Volume and confirm.